Okay, if you've been coming to my channel for a while, you know that I am a singer and a songwriter. Today I'm doing a DIY because I have gotten information off of other YouTube videos to show me how I can put together my own vocal booth. So that's what I'm doing. I sped up the scenes because my video was actually like 20 minutes long. So I used CapCut to shrink, well, shrink it down and speed it up so that it's not a 20-minute long video because nobody wants to hear that long. So I got some PVC pipes from uh, Home Depot. I don't know why I was going to say Hot Depot. It's late at night and I'm recording this. But I got the PVC pipe from there, and then I got the little pieces that y'all see on the table I just picked up that have the connectors on it, so that I connect the pipes together. And even though I filmed this video, I actually went back to Home Depot and I bought the PVC pipe cutter because it allowed me to shrink it. I felt like the booth was too big because it's on the side of my dining room table and I wanted it to be a little bit smaller. And my son was like, "You gonna be," what he said, "You're gonna be mad if you make it smaller. I think it's a perfect size," because he wanted to go in there and play. Anyway, I got the pipe and I made it shorter. I had measured it before to have 4 feet wide and 4 feet long, and then the pipes going up was, I think it was 5 feet, but I wound up cutting the pipes that you see on the floor now, over the rug. I wound up cutting those to 4 feet. And at the end of the video, you're going to see that I did get a chance to put my microphone and everything in there. I got some sound blankets, which are good for keeping the good sound that I'm singing inside and, cutting off a little bit of the outside noise. So that's why I got those. I think I paid like $54 a piece for that. Also, I did get a chance to get like another, what was the other blanket? Oh, it was a moving blanket. So I used a sound blanket, which is from Producer's Choice is the blanket I got. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube that helped me get together what it was that I was accomplishing. And I gotta look those videos up so I could put them in the description box in case you want to follow along. I definitely do advise you all to purchase the PVC pipe cutter yourself. It's pretty easy to use, and if you don't know how to use it, you can always Google it because sometimes the people in Home Depot are very busy. So technology is so useful to teach you stuff. Gotta love it. Um, I had to open the door because it was a little bit hot in there. And I just wanted to share this video with y'all. So I hope that you like it. I'm about to play one of my songs in the background for a little bit. And I hope you like it. I wanna say some things. I don't wanna lose my mind. Cause I'm trying to be something that I'm not this time. Used to want to me, only wanna do what feels alright. Then take me higher. So, if you watch a couple of other videos I have, this is a song that I was talking about putting out this summer, 2023. Take me away from here this time. Make me a way that I can vibe on the high frequencies I need in my life to take me higher. Oh, sorry about that. It cut off. Oh yeah, this is definitely a beat that I got off of YouTube as well. You know, I'm running out of what I'm gonna say because I did not script this video. I'm not gonna lie, and I should have. Um, it just took me like 2 hours because CapCut was going so slow to allow me to put each video on. That's the sound blanket, I believe, that I picked up. That thing is heavy. Oh my gosh, that freaking thing is heavy. Um, and I was using shower curtains to put it up there. I made a mistake and got the wrong sound blanket. I thought I got the one with grommets on it because if it would have had the grommets or already cloth hooks on it, which I think they just messed up my order, um, it would have been easier. But I took a knife and or like I'm old school. I would have took a hanger and put it on the fire, waited till it to turn red, and then stuck it through the sound blanket so that I could get some holes in there and put the shower curtain to get the sound blanket up there. But I used a knife. I was like, frick it, I'm trying to get it done. So, but I did get her done, and that's the first sound blanket you see, which now is perfect because uh, now, not in this video actually, but after I went and, like I said, bought my PVC cutter and then came back home and shortened it from being 4 feet to what is it now? 4 feet. It might be like 3.5, something like that, instead of 4 feet. That sound blanket covers one whole that wall that it's on, and then it curves over in the front. So now all I gotta do is just buy another sound blanket, and it'll basically enclose the whole thing.